forward. And let that shoulder go. Push your knee down to the ground for me. There we go. Thank you. Other side up for me. Did you go work out at the ranch?
No, not today. Just been at work.
Yeah. It's too hot to be out there, man.
I know.
I just had a patient earlier, and he was going out to the deer lease to move his feeders and everything else. I said, man, it's 107, 105. This is not the temperature to be working on deer feeders. Shoulder back, nice and clean. Let's have your back face down. Perfect, perfect. You'll see me checking my notes a lot when I'm adjusting. When I write things down, if I got a reference to them, even though our hands tell us a lot, I like to check my notes. Drop your shoulders. Beautiful. You're making my work easy for me today.